In this video, I will show you how to fix TikTok unable to authorize. Please try again. First, make sure that you're connected to a stable internet connection, whether it is a Wi-Fi or mobile data. Or you can try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Then, the other thing you can do is clear the TikTok cache. For this, open the TikTok app and click on Profile. Now click on three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now click on Settings and Privacy. In the Settings menu, scroll down and click on Free Up Space, and here you will find Cache. So make sure to clear the cache and also make sure to update your TikTok app. For this, head over to your device App Store or Google Play Store and search for TikTok. If an update is available, then click on Update, and the latest version of TikTok ensures that any bugs or issues have been fixed. And then check if the app is working. And if the problem still exists, uninstall the TikTok app from your device and then restart your phone and then reinstall TikTok from the Google Play Store or App Store and then log in again to see if the issue is resolved.